they're going to have
Exactly.
some good weather a little bit, maybe not later today. Recess, they might want to do something inside later.
It's going to be one of those days where it's very hit and miss.
Okay.
A lot of dry hours today, so wouldn't cancel your plans. Just be prepared for when these waves of rain are expected to move in. And it does depend on what part of the state you're in too, because it's going to make a bit of a difference. Wanted to start with our radar out there this morning, putting it into motion over the past hour. Notice there's really not a lot going on out there right now. Do want to zoom in closer to the Bloomington area. We had a stray pop-up thunder shower. We actually had a little lightning embedded within this the past couple radar scans. It's starting to weaken, kind of raining itself out as it makes its way up that I-69 corridor closer to Martinsville right now. But that's really about it. We've got this boundary that's stalled out south of I-70, and that's what's potentially going to prompt a few isolated showers or storms early on today. Eventually, as this boundary continues to lift off to the northeast, we'll see a secondary boundary that could fire more showers and storms closer to the lunch hour today. But you can really tell how this is impacting temperatures. We've got the 50s to the northeast, 63 here in the city. And then on the warm side of that, what's fueling that shower and storm development right now, the fact that it's 68 degrees right now in Bloomington. So again, outside of a stray shower possible, we've got a lot of dry time to get the day started, and temperatures still going to be very warm, well above average today, approaching 75 by 1 p.m. as that next round of showers and storms moves in. So this is that latest timeline. We're going to take you between now and about 1 o'clock this afternoon. Notice these storms kind of bubbling up here. That will continue to lift to the north. And then in between the two rounds, we've got a lot of dry time today. In fact, we're going to bring back quite a bit of sunshine as the winds pick up from the south, and that's what's going to take these temperatures into the upper 70s, low 80s for highs again today. So this is through 6 p.m. Evening drive looks pretty good. Here comes that second round, though. After about 8 p.m., going to ramp that rain chance back up. So the first part of the Indians game looks pretty good. Second half, we'll be watching those skies, potentially bringing some rain in. By the way, it's a 6:35 first pitch for the Indians this evening. And as far as the severe threat for tonight and then into the overnight hours, going to remain relatively low. That green highlights a level 1 of 5 from the Storm Prediction Center for an isolated stronger storm. That's going to be it. And that's going to move out by the time we wake up Wednesday morning. Here's 7 a.m. That line already exiting off to the east. It's Wednesday afternoon when the actual cold front is set to arrive. Another round of storms pops up. Now this one could be strong to severe. This is going to move in right around the lunch hour, but then it's going to be out of here by 5 p.m. Once again, that evening drive looks pretty good, and it's going to take some time for that slightly cooler air to return. So we're still looking at highs for your Wednesday back into the 70s. Not too bad there. Thursday looks like a dry day. So we'll go 82 today, 76 for your Wednesday afternoon. Partly cloudy, 70 on Thursday, and then a secondary cold front going to bring that reinforcing shot of some cooler air in, which means highs this weekend only in the 50s.